Hello children, this is Shweta Tiwari. Today we are gathered here to learn Unit 3 Food and Shelter. Its lesson 7 is Farmers and Our Food. Children, we know nicely that thousands of years ago, when humans started live as a settled life, so he started learning agriculture also. And when he started agriculture, so agriculture become the key of development. Nowadays children, many farmers are there who are cultivating their crops in a different way, and the agriculture is completely depend on the type of climate, season, type of soil and landscape. What are the four things on which agriculture is depending? Agriculture is completely depend on climate, season, type of soil and landscape, means what kind of land it is. If it is a sloping land, just like in north east area, Himachal Pradesh वगैरह में जहाँ पे चाय की खेती होती है, they are growing tea in the sloping condition of land. And in Punjab and Haryana, that is the these states are having plain land where farmers are growing wheat and maize type of crops. So children, by the agriculture we are getting food. First thing which we are getting from the agriculture, that is food. And the second thing is raw materials for various industries. As we a lot of plants, by the agriculture we are getting fibers from them. That many industries are using to make these jute mat and jute chatai and doormats, many different type of things. Sometimes from the agriculture people are collecting fruit materials. So whatever fruit they are collecting, whether it is vegetables or fruit, they are producing from them juice hai, sauces hai, many are there which agricultural factories are using or industries are using agricultural product in their industries in a different way. Some people are purchasing from the farmers seeds of different kinds to produce oil. So children, raw materials which different industries are getting, that is also very beneficial. And from the agriculture we are getting food also, food as well as raw material. Next topic is types of farmers. Children, in India also different type of farmers are there. So first type of farmers here given is commercial farmers. What do you mean by commercial farmer? Farmers who are growing crop on a large scale for business purposes, they are called commercial farmers. And mostly these commercial farmers are growing cash crop, just like cotton, rui, cashew nuts, ground nuts, chilies, rubber, and a different variety of fruits and spices that bring cash to them, जिनसे उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पैसे मिल सकें. So they are growing cash crop. Who? Commercial farmers. कहाँ पे? On a large scale, बड़े पैमाने पे वो ये सारी चीज़ें उगाते हैं. वो ट्रेडिशनल फार्मिंग नहीं करते हैं, गेहूँ, मक्का, दालें. They are not growing this because from traditional crop they are getting less money. So from the crops by which they can get more money, so they are growing these all crops, and these people are called, or these farmers are called commercial farmers. Next is children, subsistence farmers. आपको नाम से समझ में आता होगा. Subsistence means a group of farmers who are growing crop on a small scales for the survival of the family. Means they are able to grow crop only for the survival of their own families. So what type of crop they will grow? Definitely they can grow rice, wheat and vegetables. Then only their family can survive, because they are having small land and they are very small farmers. So it is difficult for them to collect different type of agricultural tools and money also. So these small farmers, these subsistence farmers are just arrange enough resources to stay alive. ना जिंदा रहने के लिए उनको जितना चाहिए बस उतना ही वो उगाते हैं. And sometimes if they get extra production of their crops, so they used to sell in the local markets. Next is children dairy farming. Dairy farmers means, नाम से ही आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा, dairy farming means farmers who are rearing cows and buffaloes for the milk, butter and cheese. Means इन एनिमल से जो भी हमें मिलता है that belongs to dairy farmers, whether it is milk, butter or cheese. And from where we are getting this? From the cow and buffaloes. Next is mixed farmers. Mixed means यहाँ कुछ mix हो रहा है. क्या mix हो रहा है? Farmers who are rearing animals also and they are growing crops also. These farmers are rearing animals for their meat, for their fur, for their milk product या dairy product. ये सारा का सारा उनको मिलेगा animal से, तो they will get extra money. And they are growing crops also, तो double profit they will have. तो they if their crops is not giving them nice production, तो at least they have animals. So by selling animal product they can get money. So it is belongs to the farmers who are rearing animals plus growing crops are called mixed farmers. Third is poultry farmers. Poultry farmers means farmers who are rearing hens and ducks for egg and meat. Are you eating egg and meat? If you belongs to non-vegetarian family, then definitely you will eat an egg and meat, है ना. तो who's are keeping the production of egg and meat? This poultry farmers, because they are keeping, वो क्या करते हैं, नॉर्मल खेती नहीं करेंगे वो लोग, मुर्गियों को और डक्स को उनकी फार्मिंग करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड पोल्ट्री फार्मर्स. नेक्स्ट इज पीसी कल्चर. पीसी कल्चर मीन्स चिल्ड्रन farmers who are rearing fresh water fish and salty water fish. Fresh water fish means river fish, pond fish, या किसी भी नदी से, नहर से या तालाबों से मिलने वाली जो मछलियाँ होती हैं, they belongs to fresh water fish. And the salty water fish means the fish which they are getting or collecting or catching from the sea or ocean. We know nicely that that water belongs to salty water, है ना. तो salty water means from sea and ocean, whatever fish they are collecting and selling in the market for the human consumption. These type of farmers belongs to PC culturist. They are called PC culturist. Next is sericulturist. Sericulturist means the people who are rearing silkworm to produce silk. What do you mean by silkworm? सिल्कवर्म मीन्स जिनसे रेशम मिलता है, सिल्क मिलता है. और ये वो कीड़े हैं जो शहतूत के पेड़ यानी मलबरी ट्रीज पर ग्रो करते हैं. दिस इज द प्लांट ऑफ. So children, that was mulberry tree. On that, sericulturist rear silkworm to produce silk. Horticulturist, they are growing fruits, while floriculturists are growing flowers. Last is apiarists. These apiarist farmers are rearing bees for honey and wax in apiaries. Thank you. We will meet in next video.